Hey everybody, John Grimsmo here, and I'm here with my buddy Paul from Motis.
Hello.
And what do you guys do here?
We manufacture firefighting tools and equipment. So this is our main product called the Snagger. We've got 25 different products that we make all for firefighting.
Awesome, yeah, so Paul and I have been buddies. You used to be just down the street from us,
Yeah.
and then you've been moving all over. So this is the first time I've been in this building, which is amazing, and he said it just sold today. So you're tomorrow,
Yep.
so you're moving again.
Yeah.
So before he moves, I want to show you guys around and give you a quick zip around tour, just on my phone, super casual here.
Awesome.
So show me what you got.
Perfect. So we start actually at the saw. So most of the products we make are aluminum, and we actually do a lot with aluminum extrusions. So we get everything in a 10-foot long rail.
Yeah, like these ones here.
Yeah.
So instead of machining everything from raw, he actually got really good at getting these extrusions custom made exactly to the shape of his thing. Look at that
Yep.
thing.
So that's 10 feet long. So you get the absolute best material usage because you have hardly any waste. All we're doing is chamfering, facing.
So
that
just
makes a huge difference.
Automatic saw with like a conveyor, and then dust, like all the chips just get sucked up and put into there.
And then we can dump it out,
Amazing.
recycle the chips. So yeah, so very little waste and very little machining time. So nice and quick. So.
And he is an absolute nerd at heart, just like me. So not only are they designing and making their own products, they're inventing solutions, which is amazing. And this is the first time I've seen this in person, but he's talked to me about it a bunch of times.
One of the most annoying things we had to deal with was the water from vibratory tumbling.
Right.
So if you don't know much about vibratory tumbling, these big tanks, when they're on, they shake. The media, which is just a ceramic, rubs against the part, breaks the edges, cleans it up, roughens it up, does different surface finishing. But then you recirculate water in a soap, and as this ceramic breaks down, it's ceramic just literally turns into ceramic sludge. And then you're just recirculating water, and then dealing with that water is a bit of a hassle.
Yeah, and we do the same thing at our shop. But basically, you've invented a system where the dirty water gets pumped up into your tank. It settles. You add a flocking agent, which takes the sediment out of the water and makes it settle. And then you can dump the sediment into these bags, which is another genius thing. So the bag fills up with mostly gunk. Any excess water comes out. When the sediment's all gone, then you can drain the remaining water through filter paper. What micron is this?
10.
10 microns, so that's pretty fine. And then some various pumps and solenoids, and you built your own nerdy electronics cabinet. I absolutely love this, with some Arduinos and sensors and solenoids and relays. And it's pretty much self-sufficient. Like you add the flock and you manage it, but this is brilliant, man. Hard to see it through the Speedio window. There we go. Oh, pallet change, nice. And go. So this is a pallet changing machine where machining happens on that side, the pallet changes, and then it gets loaded over here. They've got a 3-op station, op 1, op 2, and op 3, letting them do every single feature necessary. You guys have been using Odoo for your ERP system?
Yep. So we'll track all the manufacturing orders. We'll physically print it off with each order, and then we've got a barcode scanner underneath so we can track time and consumption of material for each order that we're making.
That's sweet. Show me the robo drill real quick.
So it just finished its cycle. It's still thinking it's going. I can get more parts in there in a second. Let me see if I got it.
So the KUKA robot, they load these are triangle wedge sprinkler turn-offers. I don't know what they're called. So the robot grabs one, door opens up, machining happens. So it's like air machining right now?
Right now
it's in a loop?
Yeah.
That's cool though. Man, filming manufacturing is not easy.
I know.
All the big guys make it look easy, but it's really not. Here we go. So you've got air blows that blow off the jaws, shunt pneumatic vices.
Yep, all sunk grippers and vices.
It puts the imaginary part in there, the air part. And then, yeah, it goes on the conveyor and dumps right into the tumbler. It's brilliant. So here's where you guys stack up. These look like tumbled, finished parts?
Yep, tumbled, ready to go. So they're now in inventory and then ready to go to powder coating. So everything flows through pretty quickly. So,
do you guys inventory every step of the way? Like you're tracking the process?
yeah. So this will be an inventory as essentially a blank, which is the product we're making of these. And then these are actually part of a kit that consumes multiple products. So
Okay.
that's why they're separate.
And there's actually a lot of racks here.
Yeah, so there's a bunch of bins. So then that'll build up and then it'll go right to powder coating.
Okay, so then you have the rest of the shop back here.
Yep.
Nice mezzanine up top.
Yeah. Up there.
This is a powder coating booth and then a powder coating oven, right?
Yep. Powder coating oven
Let's go
and
see
then
that.
black.
So I remember you used to anodize all your parts. You send them out for anodizing, right?
Yep. Anodize everything, so we'd be driving anodize about an hour and a half away.
Yeah.
Other side of Toronto, and it just took forever. Some days it was literally like you felt like you're gone for 8 hours just with traffic. So being able to do powder coating in house is amazing. And switching powder coat actually is a nicer finish for our products.
Yeah.
It looks a lot nicer, and we've been able to make coating pretty efficient with these racks. So we ordered these from the States, custom made for all of our parts.
Really?
So this will hold 48 snaggers. So there's a little hole that gets drilled in the
that op where the snagger is up at an angle, right?
No, this one's flat. We have a right-hand drill attachment actually for the
What?
snagger. So right-hand drill, then it does a 1/8-inch hole.
Okay.
That's where a little carbide tip gets inserted later, and then for rack, you can just pop it on.
Nice.
And then you got no rack marks, which is great.
So why do you need a powder coating booth? Like I used to do powder coating with an oven, a household oven.
Oh, nice.
And the little gun, yeah.
Yep. Yeah, so we can go in and we bought the best gun we could get because the finish is obviously the most important.
Yeah.
So we
Look
didn't skip out
inside.
on that. And then through the Wagner gun. And then it's just flowing the air for dust going back.
Huh. Always red?
We've switched mostly to red, yeah.
Yeah?
Red we sell the most of by far.
Firefighter red.
Firefighter red,
Yeah.
so
So then the whole cart gets wheeled into there.
Yep.
You electrify the cart, you powder coat it, and then the whole cart wheels into the.
and it will cure the parts, get done, come out, and it will pad print the logo on.
Oh yeah, show me pad printing.
Yeah, the pad printer.
So we started doing a little bit of pad printing for our nano oil bottles, sending it out, but he actually bought his own pad printing machine, which uses these silicone pads. And then he was showing me this is ceramic plate that has a laser engraved Motis logo in it. So it like puts ink here, it swipes it, squeegees it, pad hits that, pad hits your part, right?
Yep, and we just take part in.
A little 3D
pad will
printed
come
rack.
down. And we've got little quick change fixtures for
Okay.
different products.
Different
and we slide
products.
them in.
Let me see finished product. So that lets you put this nice Motis logo on a curved surface.
And fast,
Yeah.
crazy fast.
Faster, better than laser, you
faster,
thought?
better than laser, looks way nicer.
And it's like, it's the same kind of feel as the powder coat.
Yeah.
You know, so it feels
Yeah,
totally
exactly.
like on
It feels
purpose,
fine.
you
You're
know?
not digging in. That was the problem with laser with powder coating, because on anodizing, you're essentially bleaching the anodized laser
Right.
or layer when you laser it. But with powder, you have to actually cut through, and then you're weakening the powder, and you've got a spot
Interesting.
for water to get through. So this is a much, much better way to do it. And it's kind of cool. If you look up videos on Lego, Playmobil, that's how all that stuff's done, and it's mind-blowing how they produce that much.
Yeah,
So,
pad printing's really neat.
yeah, so we do the tip of the carbide tips we do here,
Right.
quality control, boxing up, and then right into inventory.
Dude, thanks for that tour.
Yeah,
That
no
was
problem.
amazing.
Thanks
I really
for coming.
appreciate
Yeah.
that. Yeah, I can't believe it took me so long, but I'm literally driving by and I'm like, oh yeah, Paul said come by on Tuesday. I'm here.
Sweet.
So
well, we'll
that was
move
awesome.
and then come to the new shop.
I love
We'll
it.
see
Yeah.
what-
So
how it looks.
I'm really proud, impressed. The shop's amazing. You guys are crushing it.
Awesome.
Growing. We're all growing. It's cool.
Yes.
It's really fun to have this kind of network of buds that are just doing their own crazy cool stuff and like totally different industries. You sell to firefighters.
Yep, exactly.
I've probably sold to a few firefighters, but that's not our market. Whereas that
Yeah.
is your only market.
Yes,
And,
exactly, exactly. I think it's so cool too how many people, like, because we met online, and
Yep.
I think I saw you guys had a Vibra finished tumbler.
Yep.
And I thought you guys were in BC or something. And then it's crazy how many people we've met online, different things, and then yeah, you get to meet in real life, do stuff like this. It's awesome.
Cool. Well, thanks for showing me around.
No problem.
Appreciate it.